Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We ended up taking the first win today, of all time. I did take a win yesterday, but it was accidental. Only made like $7. We actually took a real win today. It was like plus $90. And I also realized one thing, and I'm not going to be trading on the mini Nasdaq anymore because simply it's just the risk management is not right. I'm gonna switch over to Russell because you could obviously, just for right now. We'll see how that plays out. I'm gonna still look at like the mini Nasdaq, paper trade it. Obviously, like this is what I've been trading for like the last 3 months. But I think with the Nasdaq and then Russell, I mean, similar correlation. Anyways, the same strategy works. So regardless, let's get into the trade that we took today. So on market open before this candle, let's imagine you don't see this red move down. Obviously, we're bullish. I was bullish. I was bullish this morning. We ended up sweeping out this liquidity. And I knew this. I marked this down. I'm like, hey, I'm going to expect a move down. I wasn't expecting a break of structure to the downside that we might have in 15 minutes now. But I was expecting a move down at least. Some type of retracement into this equilibrium. So I actually ended up drawing out equilibrium of this whole move up. I was just expecting maybe price to just trace down into it and make another leg up. I've seen that happen plenty of times before. That's what I was targeting. Obviously, we ended up sweeping the liquidity, and then let's take a look at what happens further. I'm going to scale down into I'm actually want to scale to a 4-hour too to show you. So on a 4-hour time frame, at this point, we were also bullish. Obviously, low, higher, low, lower, high, and then whatever was going to happen. But we ended up closing. And now, well, it was like kind of like consolidating. And then now we ended up actually breaking, well, not yet, but in around, if we keep it up, we're going to break structure back down to the downside again. Really weird. This week, obviously, if you pay attention from here to here, it has not been the greatest week for trading. It's been a little bit tough this week, especially of biases based off where we've been at. So at least I'm happy to leave this week with in profit, because on tomorrow's, obviously on Fridays, I'm not the biggest fan of trading on Fridays, so I'll paper trade tomorrow. Let's get into it though. Scale down a little bit. So this is on the 3-minute. I literally was in this trade for 6 minutes, I think 6 minutes or something like that. And it's the margins, bro. You guys see how small this damn trade is, bro? I was in this trade for 3 minutes actually. You see how small the margins are, bro? This is a $92 profit, bro. Just that move right there. I mean, that's like a decent move. Obviously, my original take profit was right here. And then, dude, I realized, I'm like, bro, I'm going to have to switch over so I could get actual proper. Because, dude, right now I'm just risking too much of my account doing this. Glad I was able to leave a profit at least. So, it's okay. But anyways, we had this equilibrium coming all the way down. On the hourly... Okay, I don't know what my dog is possibly barking at. Let's continue to look into this. So, we had an hourly fair value gap that got completely disrespected. We had this move down that ended up forming a low here. And if you switch over to the 5-minute as well, it was in the process of forming a low. I kind of jumped the gun. This is one thing I don't like about this trade. I kind of jumped the gun with the break of structure or low being formed before I marked this equilibrium. Honestly, it ended up playing out. Honestly, I got a little bit lucky. It ended up playing out. Price came right up to it, continued to go down. But this whole week, like I said earlier in this video, this whole week has honestly not been the greatest week. It's been a losing day for a lot of people. A lot of people had their take profits right up here. They thought they were going to be able to get the full swing of it. That's not how today ended up playing out at all. I was bullish too, so that's why I took this long. I thought price was honestly going to go a lot further than what it got to, and some days are just like this. Some weeks are like this, and trading is so great because you get a new opportunity every single day. You get a new shift in the market every single week. So we'll see what ends up happening next week. I really thought this week was going to be a lot better. I'm not going to lie. After I saw, the news and stuff, I was like, okay, this is going to be a good week. And it's honestly been pretty terrible just based off where the price has been at. So, it's all good. I mean, for me, I got my goal done. I mean, I made a live account, made a couple trades on it. I haven't blown the account. I traded for a week and I haven't blown the account. Let's go, baby. But regardless, we ended up catching this move, 1.25. We're gonna be trading on Russell because this is literally 3-minute trade, $90. Could have went in either direction easily, dude. So this is like kind of cooked. But yeah, we took it off this fair value gap too. There's a mini inverse fair value gap. Took it entered. But we took a win. We're gonna get back at it next week. Next week we're gonna be on Russell. We're gonna be trading IWM Russell. So I'll peace out. I'm happy I was able to take this dub and share it with you boys.